Hi, I'm Eugene Call. Today we are here to understand how to sell a $12 million factory.
Hi, my name is Paul here. Today we have Eugene Call and we want to share with you the key pointers on marketing this $12 million factory for mixed use. And where are we, Eugene?
We are over here at Senoko South.
Wow, Senoko. So what do we have in Senoko? Let's Eugene Call share with you more about the Senoko estate.
What you need to understand when you're looking for a factory, it's the surrounding. What is important to look out for when you're looking to bring your business into this area? This specialized industrial location provides ample of amenities for your staff and workers to enjoy during their work in this area. This location provides loads of transportation for your workers and staff to move around within the vicinity. The amenities here consist of multiple eateries, supermarket, and also a sports recreational center for your workers to enjoy during their off and weekends. The convenience of having dormitory within this vicinity allows you to cut down the transportation costs and also the time for your workers to get to work. What is even better is you can have your own dormitory in the factory itself. Number 2, the target audience. As the business owner, it is very important for you to understand your business need, be it the production, the warehousing, and offices. At the same time, it is critical for you to understand the long-term vision and planning for your business. Am I right, Paul?
That's right, because thank you, Eugene. And this brings us to the third key point, which is the most important, the specification. A specification of a factory doesn't include only the land size, the remaining lease that's available, the build-up of the GFA as well. So what is important is also when your staffs are coming into the factory, going in and out, the gates available. We have 1 gate and 2 gates that allows transportation and logistics. And also important, as you expand your business for your warehousing needs, you want to understand how high the ceiling height is also, of course, on your factory specification, whether you can build 1, 2, 3 stories, the loading and the power supply ambience. And these all key specifications not only allows you to start your business for this moment, but also like what Eugene mentioned, the second key point is to think long term about your future business expansion. Now that you have found your ideal factory to operate your business, come, let me bring you to my meeting room. I would like to go through the details of the flow. How are you going to have a seat to make an offer for the unit? Of course, understanding the nature of your business, what are your needs in terms of the office space, the production area, and the nature of your business. Definitely, we need to submit this approval to JTC. As we do know, certain estates also belongs to a huge ownership such as JTC for this Senoko factory. And from there, as you submit your application, it may take a couple of time, a few weeks, maybe even to a month, for JTC to come back with you on the approval, and there might be some requests to understand more in details the nature of your business. Having said that, it is so important for you to work with a reliable professional who is going to guide you through the entire process of making this deal work. And as you find the ideal factory for your business, most important, we want you to prosper for your business in the many years to come. So having said that, let me just bring you to another part of this area. Let's go. So now that you have enjoyed the video tip on how to buy a $12 million factory, what is next is you come and take a look at this factory that we have in person, and it might be something suitable for your needs. At the same time, do let us, the professional, guide you step by step on your business expansion. Right, Eugene?
That's right. Let us help you with this journey. I'm Eugene Ko.
My name is Paul Teo.
See you soon.